Yesterday we came home to a package from Switchback Coffee Roasters. Take a look at this. I asked for their espresso blend, you know, a sample. We are interested in serving their coffee here at harvest time. And they sent me 4. They sent me the espresso, their house blend, single origin Ethiopian coffee, and a single origin Nicaraguan coffee. These guys won 2nd place US Roasters Championship. This is not a regular roaster. This is quality stuff. So I'm really excited to try this. And it was really cool receiving this on National Coffee Day. So we're gonna try this coffee. Somebody asked if I can post a video on dialing in, and this is actually the perfect opportunity to do that. Switchback, I thank you so much. Check out the inside of this bag. Isn't that cool? It's Golden Age Espresso Blend. It's a Colombia and Ethiopia, washed and natural. Nice. It has notes of chocolate, cherry, caramel, and a silky body. So it's good to read that because now you know what to look for in the espresso. So we're gonna start by just cleaning up the grinder. I'm gonna purge some coffee. So let's give it a jab. So this is 40 grams in 19 seconds, which is way too fast. We're looking for 25 to 30 seconds, but I'm getting a lot of crema. It actually looks really wonderful. All right, you can tell when a coffee's good when you pull a bad shot and it tastes pretty good. 40 grams, 20 in 19 seconds. Isn't that good? Okay, so that shot was very tasty. It was a little light in body. I would like to have more body, and of course we're searching for more sweetness. So if you look here, you gotta press the button down as you make your grind finer. So I already did that. I really don't want to waste this coffee. This coffee is really good. So I purge about that much. So we're gonna go ahead and just dose 20 grams again. A little better, but it was still coming down fast. So we're gonna pull another shot. But so far this coffee is on the money. This was 20 grams in, 40 grams out, but it was 22 seconds. Before it was 19, but it is tasting better. So let me just go a little bit finer, and then I'm gonna make a drink. Woo! It was 28 seconds. 20 in, 40 out. That's a ratio of 1 to 2. If you look at that, it's a beautiful espresso. Real nice, super silky. Let's try this. This is nice. We found that balance. We found the fruit flavors from the Ethiopia and also from the Colombia, but you do have like, I wouldn't say it's like a pungent chocolate note, but it's there. It's just enough to make it a nice warm espresso. Honey, you want to try this? So now we're going to try it as a latte to see if we can taste the coffee through dairy. tastes really good.